Good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes. Today we are going to discuss about a basic concept for a 6th class student. That a basic concept is units and measurement. Units and measurement. Before the units and measurement, we discuss about physical quantities. The quantity which can measurable are called physical quantity. The quantity which can be measurable are called physical quantities. Example: length, mass, time, etc. And also not a physical quantity. The quantities which cannot be measurable are called not a physical quantity. Some quantity we can't be measurable. These quantities are called as not a physical quantity. Example: ideas, smell, taste, dreams. These quantities we can't be measurable. These quantities are called not a physical quantity. Next one, types of physical quantity. Physical quantities are mainly two types. First one is the fundamental physical quantity. Next one is the derived physical quantity. Physical quantities are classified into two types. First one is the fundamental physical quantities. Second one is the derived physical quantity. Fundamental physical quantity means the physical quantity which can exist independently are called fundamental physical quantity. Here the physical quantity which can be exist independently, that means which cannot be depends upon any other physical quantities. These physical quantities are called as fundamental physical quantities. Example: length, mass, time, etc. These physical quantity cannot be depend upon another physical quantity. Then these types of quantities are classified into fundamental physical quantity. Next one is the derived physical quantity. Derived physical quantity means the physical quantities which can derived from fundamental physical quantities. The physical quantities which can derived from the fundamental physical quantity. We already know that the fundamental physical quantity. That fundamental physical quantities are length, mass, time. Here derived physical quantity means the physical quantity which can derived from the fundamental physical quantity. That fundamental physical quantities are length, mass, time. So these physical quantities are called as derived physical quantity. Example: speed, force, velocity, acceleration, momentum, etc. So these physical quantities are derived from the fundamental physical quantity. So next one, important one, units. Unit. What is the unit? A quantity to be measured is compared with another quantity of the same kind. A quantity to be measured is compared with another quantity of the same kind. So these are called as units, or the quantity used as the standard of measurement is also called as the unit. The quantity used as the standard of the measurement is called the unit. Is called the units. Next one, systems of units. Or before the units, Units are classified into two types. That units are fundamental units and derived units. Fundamental units means the units of fundamental quantities. The units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. The units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Next one, derived units. So similarly, the units of derived physical quantities are called derived units. The units of derived physical quantities are called derived units. Next one is the systems of units. Then we are identify that different systems of units. First one is the FPS. Second one is the CGS. Third one is the MKS. So here we discuss one by one. FPS system is, in this system the unit of length is foot. In this system the unit of length is foot, the unit of mass is pound, and the unit of time is second. CGS system, the unit of length is foot, the unit of mass is pound, the unit of time is second. Next one is the CGS. Here also we see the system of the unit of length is centimeter. In this system the system of length is centimeter, the unit of mass is gram, and the unit of time is second. Once again I will repeat you. In this system the unit of length is centimeter, the unit of mass is gram, and the unit of time is second. That is the CGS. Next one is the MKS. Here also the unit of length is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram, and the unit of time is second. From the MKS system, the unit of length is meter, the unit of mass is kilogram, and the unit of time is second. These are the three types of systems of unit. After they given as another unit, that another units are SI system of unit. SI system means International System of Units. International System of Units. Here in 1875 a meter convention was held in Paris, which led to constitution of an international organization called the General Conference of Weights and Measures. International organization that called as General Conference on Weights and Measurement. In this General Conference on Weights and Measures adopt the meter, kilogram, second, ampere, all technical purpose. So in our India, the Standard Weights and Measures Act 1976 of India established the SI units. The Standard Weights and Measures Act 1976 of India established the SI units. Here the international system of units are classified into three categories. First one is the base unit, second one is the supplementary units, third one is the derived units. First one is the base unit, second one is the supplementary units, third one is the derived units. Base unit. Here there are the 7 units are classified in base unit. That is 7 units are length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substances. First one is the length, second one is the mass, third one is the time, fourth one is the electric current, fifth one is the thermodynamic temperature, sixth one is the luminous intensity, and the seventh one is the amount of substances. These 7 units are called base units in SI system. Second one is the supplementary units. There are 2 supplements units. There are 2 supplements units that are plane angle, solid angle. Plane angle and solid angle. These are called as supplementary units. And third one is the derived units. Here derived units are obtained by simple multiplication or division of the base units and supplement units. Derived units are obtained by simple multiplication or division of the same base units and supplementary units. So there are the vast number of derived units in our physics. Thank you.